In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create Trello templates from cards so you can save time, stay organized, and standardize your workflows. If you often recreate the same type of task card over and over again, this feature is going to make your life much easier. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to turn any existing card into a reusable template in just a few clicks. And if you find this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tutorials. All right, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're inside Trello, click on Boards to view all of your available boards. From here, select the board where the card is located that you want to convert into a template. Go ahead and click on that board to open it. Now that you're inside the board, find the specific card you want to turn into a template. This could be something like a content planning card, a client onboarding checklist, a task workflow, or any repeatable process. Click directly on the card to open it. When the card opens, you'll see all of its details, including the description, checklist items, due dates, attachments, labels, and members. If you want your template to include specific instructions or checklist steps, make sure everything is filled out exactly the way you'd like future cards to appear. Think of this as building the master version. Next, look toward the top right corner of the card window and click on the three dots menu. This opens additional card settings and actions. In the drop-down menu, find and click on the option that says Make Template. As soon as you click this, Trello will convert the card into a template. You'll notice a small template badge appear, indicating that this card is now a reusable template rather than a regular task card. Once that's done, you can click on the cross icon in the top corner to close the card settings and return to your board view. Now let's confirm that your template is ready to use. On your board, click the Create from Template button. This will show you a list of all the card templates available on that board, including the one you just created. Simply select your template, choose the list where you want the new card to appear, and Trello will instantly generate a fresh copy with all the pre-filled details. This is incredibly useful for recurring tasks, onboarding processes, publishing workflows, customer support responses, or any situation where you need consistency. Instead of rebuilding cards from scratch, you can now generate them in seconds while keeping everything standardized. One pro tip, you can create multiple templates for different workflows within the same board. For example, you might have one template for blog posts, another for YouTube videos, and another for client projects. This keeps your productivity system clean and efficient. And that's it. That's how you create Trello templates from cards quickly and easily. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Trello tips and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.